How to create a landing page in Systeme.io. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how to do it step by step. But first, if you want to start for free for Systeme.io and get the best deals possible, make sure you sign up with the link down in the description. And let's get back to the video. So to get started, once you actually sign into your Systeme.io account, you are just going to navigate to the Sites tab on the top here and select sales funnels. This is going to be easier because it's just going to give us different steps too. So if you have a form, they're just going to move to the thank you page automatically also. So anyways, you just want to click on create from the top right, and we're just going to select build an audience as the goal of this funnel. And I'm just going to name it landing page. And you also have the option to select the currency that you want to use down here as well. Okay, so once you do that, you simply just want to click on it now. And this is going to basically show us everything that we need. So on the left side, you have the different steps. So by default, it's going to have only two, the opt-in page and also the thank you page at the end, which is the second step. And you can move them around if you want to. So if you have multiple, you can add more steps here and just start moving things around. So anyways, now your goal is to find a good template to start with, and we're just going to start adjusting the actual template. So on the right side here, you can just feel free to browse and see which one that you actually like and go for it. So once you actually select the template, you can just go and give this page a URL path. It's just going to make things cleaner. So make sure you do that. And once you're done, click on edit page. So this is going to take us to the Systeme.io drag and drop builder, which is very simple and easy to use. So basically it's going to be composed off of elements. Like you can see, this is an element, this one to a block that you can just basically click on, and whatever a block or element that you actually click on, it's going to show you on the left side of the bar here, the settings for it. So if it's a text, you can see the font size, the line height, and the font that you want to use, the color of the text, and so on. If it's an image, it's going to obviously give you the option to change the image, and basically every block is going to have its own set of settings on the left. For text, if you click on it, also you have the option to simply just replace this text with anything if you just type on your keyboard. So you are just going to go ahead and start clicking on everything here and changing everything that you need. So for example, the entire section here, you can just go in and change the background image for it. So this is the default one, which was from this template. So you can replace it by clicking on it, and you can just go in and click on delete image and then upload your own. Or you can just go in and set it up to be a background color instead of an image. So for example, if I click on this section, I'm just going to change the background color to be something else. So I'm just going to select this and make it red, and it's just going to be red, as you can see. So this is basically how it's going to work. You are just going to, let me try to get white back again. So you're just going to click on whatever you want to change, and you are just going to adjust it to your liking, whether it's going to be text or any other element. So what if you want to add extras instead of just adjusting things that already exist? It's very simple. You're going to just click away, and you're going to find yourself within the elements tab or blocks. But we're just going to highlight elements now. And inside here, we have images, videos, text, headlines, different columns, and so on. And basically, this is a drag and drop, like I said, so it's very simple. So let's just say we want to add two columns, text on the left, image on the right. So I'm just going to drag this and drop it over here. And I'm just going to go ahead to the image, drag it to the left, and the text is just going to be on the right, or, you know, however you actually like it to be. And again, you can just basically just drag and drop anything that you want. And again, for the image, you simply click on it and select or upload your file from there. So just go ahead and take your time to build your landing page. And if you want to add a form, it's very simple. You just want to go to the forms tab within the elements, and you're just going to go ahead and drag, and again, just drop it wherever you want it to be. So let's just say over here, which is not really great. You try to make it at the top so people can actually see it right away. And you can just adjust the form by clicking on the element again, like I said, and you have the first name, last name, email, and you can add more fields if you want to. This is completely up to you. And if you click on any of them, you have the option to make it an optional thing form field or mandatory. And also you can just rearrange them if you want. So take your time to create this form and just go to the Actions tab. Make sure you select the action to be go to the next step, and you're just going to save and exit once you are done. Now guess what? You just basically just want to repeat the process with the thank you page on the left side. So again, simply click on that, pick a template and adjust it. And this is pretty much how to create a landing page with Systeme.io. And you can always just view the actual landing page by clicking on View Funnel Step. And you can just copy the link to this one. And this is basically your landing page. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.